I believe this to be my first CNH, whatever, battery. Let's check it out. It's like, so that battery was a CNHL, and I got the Arma 3S Typhon. Um, that's what I put that battery in. And I'm also going to be running these new tires I just got from Upgrade RC, the Cloud, or what they call it, their Cloud. So I ain't finna do no speed run. I just want to see how it looks, see if it do what it say it's supposed to do. So let's check it out. Yes, sir. Typhoon 3S, brushless with an NHL C or CL. One of them batteries. It's supposed to be a good one though. Let's check it out. That old dirt claw. That boy look aggressive. Look good though. That's good though. Let's put it to work. You know what I'm saying?